Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. In VIDIZMO's DEM, every case is enclosed within folders. This folder contains pieces of evidence, such as documents, images, videos, and recordings. The case in DEM can be inspected for further investigation, allowing you to zoom in and zoom out, annotate, and rotate images. In this video, we will be taking a look at inspecting cases in VIDIZMO DEM. Before you start, please make sure you log into your portal as an administrator or manager to inspect a case in VIDIZMO DEM. To inspect a case, click on My Cases, and you will be redirected to a new page. Here, you can select the case you want to inspect, and you will be redirected to all the evidence in that particular case. Click on the Inspect button to inspect a case, and you will be redirected to a new page. You can see the evidence in the ordered way set by the user. On top right of the page, there are certain predefined options, such as download, share, limited share, add to favorites, and settings for evidence. Here, you can also see all the details related to the evidence, like basic information, tags, and comments. Basic information provides details like author, type, folder, uploaded on, description, etc. Whereas tags show the tags assigned to the evidence. The comments section is the discussion pane, where you can discuss the case and evidence. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.